Ready?
Yeah.
All right,
ready.
so on this screen right here, you want to make sure you go to production at the top. You go to recipe management. This is where you can create whatever design, right? Your name, design. Okay, for this, in this case, we're going to use this name here. Or you can come down here for a spare. You can edit the part. Make sure that's set to number 3. Program number 3, and then call this Dr. L. Okay? So, and then save. Make sure you click save. Oh, we don't want to call it spare. Let's call it Dr. L. Okay? And then call it save. So it's saved there. So what you do is you go to previous, batch scheduling. We want to click on DRL, looks like you already had one there previously, and save changes. You notice it
Links.
blinks. Oh, I didn't put the quantity required. You gotta make sure you put the quantity required. 1,
Always one.
or you could do 2 or 3, however you want to load in there. There you go, now it's loaded. So now it has a batch. It knows it's going to run 1 of this recipe. So really you just come back to system. Make sure you don't have any faults. If you do, you can always click reset. Okay, same thing on the other screen. Go ahead and click reset. Go ahead. Yep. If you had a fault on your pendant, you would see a red light here. Always click this button to reset it. But you can just go ahead and just click it anyways, right? Both pendants, reset. Okay. All right. And then load your part over here. See this fixture? Yep. Just load it in. Okay.
Do we need to make sure there's a number that was right? I remember last time it says.
The number was right. It would have been about 401, right?
Okay.
I'm not sure if this will work like this or not. We're going to try it. We might have to bend it back.
That's just
Okay, flip it over.
Yeah, flip it over.
Okay.
Make sure it works. 401. Now it's 402. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Okay. So operation. Make sure we're in auto mode. Come over here. Make sure you're in auto mode. Cycle start. You click cycle start over there on the other HFI.
Cycle start.
Yep. No errors, so back up. And
Do we need to turn on that etching machine?
no, it's all. I think it has to be 403.
403. If we want to create a new pattern or new picture for etching, can we do that?
There's software for that. Jason Bloom's the only one that has it right now, but you can request to get it. And you can put any logo you want.
So he's the only person who has that software.
Yeah, he's the only one right now. It's free software. You can go online and get it. Hey, there it is. Look at that. It is cold. That.
So I can just
So
install
you can
this
just stick
on-
that. Go and take that. Yep. IT should have a copy of it, but go ahead and take it if you need it. So I got to load. There. This is important. You notice your sensors are not lit up. That means there's not enough dice. So it's not going to recognize that there's enough dice in the holder here.
Where those dice are stored usually?
They're in that box right next to the container. So you have to fill it up. And the sensor's on? Well, we're missing one sensor over here. There we go. So the sensors remain. I'm just going to load them all in there. There we go. So now you notice all your sensors are on. So that'll get perfect. Alright, it's going to pick it up, it's going to transfer to the conveyor and the rear. And the conveyor will index over to the next robot. Let's see. Pallet is present, but you notice the part's not present.
It didn't detect that part.
So it didn't detect that part.
Maybe the sensor is off?
So it might be the sensor is off a little bit. Which I am too big to scoot back here.
What are we doing?